Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. In this I'm going to compare the anti-benchmark test comparison between all of these three processors side by side. Recently friends, the MediaTek did announce the Dimensity 8000 and the Dimensity 8100 chipset as well. And few of the users, they want to know what is the benchmark scores on the MediaTek Dimensity 8000 chipset and where will be this benchmark scores when comparing with other Snapdragon processors, Snapdragon 870 and Snapdragon 888 processor. That's what this video is about. We'll try to discuss exactly what is the position of this MediaTek Dimensity 8000 chipset when comparing between these two smartphones. And we got some kind of leaked score about the benchmark test as well regarding this Dimensity 8000 chipset. You can actually see side by side comparison. Right now for the demonstration, I did try to take the iQOO 7 device because iQOO 7 has got highest Snapdragon 870 chipset score right now. That's the reason I decided to take this device. And the second highest is in the Realme GT Neo 2 device, which scored about 7,24,000, somewhere around that. But iQOO 7 seems to be having slightly higher score. And Realme GT also has got higher score in terms of the Snapdragon 888 processor. So if you try to clearly look at the CPU scores, what's going on, CPU 197 and the CPU scores 215 and the CPU in the Snapdragon 870 is of 199. So definitely this Dimensity 8000 processor regarding the CPU, it's kind of pretty close to Snapdragon 870 regarding the score of the CPU. You can clearly see. But the thing is that the GPU, there's a huge difference. So 315 and 323 and 239. So that's where the slight advantage will be there regarding the Dimensity processors. This is not something new I have seen before. Also in the Dimensity 1200 in the Realme X1 Max device, you can see friends, the GPU is very powerful. It's kind of very slightly higher than the Snapdragon's GPU, as you can clearly see here. Adreno GPU, the Mali GPU is really high, and then the Adreno GPU, you can clearly see here. This is not the first time I have seen. So that's the reason again this Dimensity 8000 gonna be having slightly better GPU performance. So that's something you should know about this thing. So regarding the CPU, this can definitely come slightly kind of close to Snapdragon 870, but with the GPU segment, it will definitely come close to Realme GT device. I mean regarding the Snapdragon 888 processors. Next thing, slight advantage in the memory speeds as well. 149 which the phone has scored, and at this moment we are not sure this test in under which condition and in what phone it has been done. That's not sure. So this is a leaked score which we got, and you can clearly see the memory as well, 149, and the temperatures also did not increase much. If you try to observe the graph starting from 26 degrees Celsius and it increased to 29 degrees Celsius, that's it. So we are not sure even what under what certain circumstance this test has been done as well. So this is just a leaked scores which we got outside, so on unknown product. And these are the few differences friends regarding the overall benchmark scores side by side. So definitely this Dimensity 8000 can actually come in between Snapdragon 870 and the Snapdragon 888 processor. Now we can actually understand what will be the price depending on this performance and everything. So this can actually come below Snapdragon 888 and slightly above Snapdragon 870, or maybe equal to Snapdragon 870 also regarding the pricing on this Dimensity 8000 chipset. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. These are quick details on the Dimensity 8000 chipset, and in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And 8100 will be slightly different, little bit kind of clock speed, that's it, not a huge difference you're going to notice, just a little bit. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.